Some people don't trust easily, not because they're cold, because someone once taught them trust could be used against them. 1. Their brain starts looking for danger. After betrayal, the brain stays on alert. It remembers the pain and quietly asks, what if it happens again? 2. They notice small changes. A slower reply, a different tone, a canceled plan. Things most people ignore feel like warning signs to someone who's been hurt before. 3. They protect themselves first. They keep conversations surface level or leave before they get too attached. Not because they don't care, because they're trying not to get hurt again. 4. They test without realizing it. They wait to see who stays, who keeps their word. Trust isn't built by big words. It's built by repeated actions. 5. Healing takes more than time. Trust doesn't return because enough time passed. It returns when safety repeats. One kept promise at a time. If someone finds it hard to trust again, don't assume they're difficult. You may be seeing the scars of a lesson life taught them the hard way, because trust isn't rebuilt by asking for it. It's rebuilt by proving you're worthy of it. Until next time, stay curious.